Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, and you don't know, so the attacking boss there, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. Some people right about now, my people, you understand? Big up Vybz Kartel, big up the whole works, the whole family, the whole team. You don't know the thing go. Attack. Some people, right now we see we have Vybz Kartel link up with them youth, them my people. You understand? And me not go say him just link up with them. But we see him post a picture with them publicly. You know what I mean? Since he come out of prison, you know what I mean, after being incarcerated for 13 years and him forward up my people, we have seen now where him post a photo with him youth them. You understand that little vibes, little addy and thing. So in the whole process, my viewers and subscribers, as me say, me can't say him just a link up with them. I cannot say that. But at first him a post a pic publicly with them. You see me? Since him forward out. But you know one of the things that hurt my people is when from this morning more address that thing, you know. Me I scroll through over FB there so, and me see some people I pull like somebody post up the video with teacher when him stays a boom and have him drinking and him on, you know what I mean? One when him posted him in picture when him show you him watch upon him risk and him show you see a little spliff in him on and thing. And me see some people I pass some bad remarks about say Kartel never change, you understand, because from we reach him in a life already, him never change. And this is why him not set no example, because the first thing he should do is forward out and go link up him youth them and be around him youth, spend some time with them before him start smoke up weed, you understand, and start forward out publicly and do this and do that and do that and do that. And honestly, teacher not go answer no, him youth them not go answer no. You understand, but that's me NEWLINK I go answer uno. And me I go tell you say, uno come like some big old thinking junker. Straight up. I say all of uno who pass those remarks, uno come like some big old thinking junker. You know why I say that? Number one, you all don't know nothing about the man. You all can't say this man wasn't smoking in weed in a prison. If Kartel they a prisoner and he want to smoke weed, for sure him can smoke it. If he want to drink rum a prison, for sure him can drink it. You understand? Because me can tell us in a prison system in a Jamaica, prisoner burn them weed, prisoner drink them drink. No joke about it. So when you now go forward and say, yo, why am I gone back to weed as him forward out? You understand, and do this and the link up. For sure, you know, so Kartel post picture, him go link him cousin them. Him go link him auntie. Him go link him sister them. And me tell you how the junker them wicked, my people. Me see them post one picture with Kartel, you see me? With a female. With the female kiss him pan him jaw. Him kiss back the female pan him jaw. And them say, as Kartel forward, him go link up him ex-woman. And to tell you the truth, you know, my people, it's the man's sister, you know. You know what I mean? But the end of the day is, remember when Kartel the day I wrote before him get incarcerated, my people, controversy always sell around him name. Always, my people. So no matter in a life, people always are going to have something to say about you, no matter what you do in a life, my people. And to tell you this, Kartel him care zero. The next thing, people, Kartel forward out, right? If him post a video for a couple seconds, a picture for a couple seconds, because we have not seen where Kartel do a long video or a long picture. How much time that out of him life a day? A day consists of 24 hours. Vybz Kartel has been released from Wednesday evening, which was the 31st of July 2024, to the date which is Saturday, August the 3rd. You understand? So you talk about basically say 3 full days and look at hours, you know what I mean, since Vybz Kartel has been released. And for the type of things them were imposed, how much time you could have think that take? You know what I mean? You not go say him not spend no time with them family and this and that. Do you all know if this man go link up him youth, them or be around him youth, so why you not have to speak certain things and judge and talk certain things? That's why I say you come like some big old junker. You know what I mean? All of who talk this and talk that. You see me? We see even this little queer one, this little swim around shark, fish one named Quiet Perry, say you will give Vybz Kartel advice. Virgin, let me tell you something. With sistering, Kartel don't need no advice from you. You understand? And if you want to be someone to send a message to Vybz Kartel, him not gonna need it from you. You know what I mean? All of the times when this man was incarcerated and I beg for freedom and I pray and I plea him justice and I plea him innocent, none of you forward out. I have nothing to say, or you know what I mean, to the government or whoever the system is who keep him in there. But now I go forward and I talk about, you know, want to give advice. The whole on come like some big old jankro. You see me? The whole on is some wagonist. The whole on is some set of hypocrites. Bad mind. You see me? You know, I don't know nothing about this man. Straight up, and this is not a friend thing. I'm going to talk truth. You see me? You not go say, yo, the man this, the man now link up. You don't know nothing about the man. So now the man comes up and post a picture with them youth. Them all not go say, him finally link up with them youth them now. And when I go see a spliff and I want them youth, and look there, him not set no example, them youth a burn weed around him. Him youth, them a big man. Them a smoke weed, and them choice. Them a do music. Them rich, them have them money. Them daddy have him money. You understand? And that me tell us, say, everything around Vybz Kartel name, there are always people who judge. You know what I mean? Every time when they come on to Kartel. And if you see a regular look youth down there, so could a 13 or 14-year-old, you know. And the daddy they run him and the mama and him about you. Don't answer nothing, you know. But just because of Kartel. But as me telling you, say, Vybz Kartel cares zero. Him family cares zero. Him youth them care zero about what anyone on the junker office say. You can't play, you can't talk. And him song them always telling, and this is why I love Vybz Kartel music so much. You know what I mean? Because every song where the man sing, it have something to do about life settings. You see me? The more them fight, and the stronger him get, the more on attack, you just make him get bigger and bigger. All the remarks on the past, say Kartel, you can tell say when him gonna have a bigger impact upon society when him in a prison and when him release. Yeah man, you think so on the road or on the motor go pass? The world was waiting for Vybz Kartel. The world never let Vybz Kartel. Now we are talking about the world with the fans them when got in the world. Not the wagonists and the haters them and the hypocrite like some of you. They were waiting and they right now, no matter where it go cost, Vybz Kartel, I'm talk this already, I'm going to talk it again. Return concert going to be the biggest thing ever. Bob Marley funeral, big up to the legendary Bob Marley. You understand? Buju return any one of them concert, never I go big so. And this is what me I go tell you now. You know what I mean? So no can go and hate, no can go and talk. Vybz Kartel, just go and enjoy yourself, my brother. Sean Storm, Andre St. John, Kyra Jones, you know, go and hold it down and go and lock it down. You understand? Big up on yourself. There's nothing what you know have to say about this man. You understand? I go get him down. The man want chill with them woman. The man want drink liquor. The man know where I do. As me say, a man post one little picture or a little clippings. How can you be a judge pertaining to that? Honestly, this is what me can't understand with someone. How can you all be a judge pertaining to a picture and a little clippings? And you don't see nothing about the man life during the day, where he might do, how he might live. You understand, but you now go say him not change. Him should have set an example for him. You them, him should have turn around them, I try steer them, I try guide them, keep them on the right road. Do you know nothing about the man? While he was incarcerated, you all know if this man was there steering his youth, them talking to them. You all don't know nothing, so why not judge him? You know hear same youth them that do nothing wrongs and I mix up in a banger wrong and I live certain type of life. Eh? The youth them a live a normal life, right? You know what I mean? If them choose to burn them weed, that them try to burn them weed. You know what I mean? And them a do them music, them a make them money, as I say it already, I go say it again. We have seen where police detect said pan the man look at youth one night time, up on time, anyway, and go all of them something there. We have seen when they forward pan the media and them address it and them something there. You understand? At time for the dust, yo, like, let the man be, bro. The man spent 13 years behind bars in a prison, bro. Let the man name be, let the man live, enjoy life, do what him feel like, do. You don't know what it feel like, yo, if you spend 13 years behind them, they slum something, the hell in a Jamaica system, bro. Eh? You don't know how much innocent youth still there behind their ball and a play and can't get free. Let the man be, brother. Let the man be, sisters. And let the man be little fishes and sprat out there run off on the mouth. Let the man name be, man. You understand? As me say again, I'm going to say it again. The more you fight, the more you talk, the stronger the real boss I get. Kartel, big up yourself, the whole family, Sean, Storm, Kyra, Andre, big up on yourself and to your youth them, you understand? Just go on the way of my father and go and hold up your head high. The pagan them can't stop you. A one team, a one dream, and a one scheme. My people, remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Make sure you like the video, my people. It is important to press the thumbs and like the video. You understand? Remember, and leave a comment in the section. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. One team, one dream, one scheme. Haters, on another date. Peace out.